How's it going, YouTube? Today we're working on a 2022 Chevy Traverse. Right now we're on the rear door panel. We will be taking off the rear and the front in this video. So first things first, take your pick. You have one little clip behind the door handle. So you're going to pop that out. You have another one in the crab handle. So take the same pick, pull it out with a little rubber grommet. And on this door, you're going to have 4 bolts that are a 7. So let's go ahead. You have one behind the door handle. You have 2 in the grab handle. And then you have 1 on the bottom of the door. Okay, now that you have all 4 of the bolts out, usually I use this in all my videos, my little skinny plastic tool. For these Traverse door panels, the pins are pretty strong, so I have to bring out the Big Daddy for this one. And per usual, start in your corner and kind of just pop out. This door panel will probably give you a little bit of issue. Like I said, I bring this one out because these pins are really strong in this door panel compared to like the Silverados and Sierras. So just be prepared to kind of struggle with it at first, as you'll probably see me in this video doing. So like I said, start in the corner. Kind of work your way around the bottom. Just kind of work around the border. There it should just kind of wiggle free. Alright, and that is the rear door panel. Now we'll move on to the front. Alright, we're on the front door now. Pretty much same procedure. Just grab your pick, go behind the door handle, pop out your plastic piece, go into your door cup, grab your rubber grommet out. And on this door panel, you're actually going to have 5 bolts instead of 4. So just grab your 7, undo the one behind the door latch. And you want to come to your door cup, undo the other 2. And like I said earlier, the back door has 1 bolt, but on the front doors, they have 2 on the bottom. And once again, grab your big plastic tool, stick it in the corner. And like I said, don't be discouraged if it takes a little bit, because these door panels, I've noticed on these Traverses, are kind of hard to pop off. So just kind of take your time and just pry on it and work it. Like I said, there's one giving me an issue. So just kind of, like I said, just take your time. Don't break anything. And I'm pretty sure this is the last one that's giving me a problem. Ah, there it went. Alright. Kind of just push up, same thing as the back door. Kind of go over your locking mechanism. Kind of tilt it towards the front, just kind of give her a little wiggle. And there she is. And there it goes. That is how you pop off the back and the front doors on a 2022 Chevy Traverse. Thank you for watching.